Welcome back, everybody. Back at home, getting into the swing of things. We're working on deck and patio projects, making lots of progress, and I'm getting back into the Let's Give It a Try and my personal YouTube channel, all that stuff. A lot of people wanted hats, right? They really wanted a hat this year, but they couldn't win one, or they couldn't, sorry, they couldn't get out to a demo to get one of these babies. And then last year as well, we had these other sweet hats. 2 years in a row, are you kidding me? Gorgeous hats, right? But I've got a bunch of them here at my house because I'm a coy little guy, and I figure we'll do a giveaway. So we'll give away a little Griddle More prize hat pack. We'll do the 2021 2022, so 2 hats together. Leave me a message down below and let me know why you want to win a Griddle More Tour hat package. We'll let this contest run for probably about a week or so. So you got to leave a comment down below and let me know why you want to win one of these. Like, you know, give me the sob story. Oh, I couldn't make it out to the tour, or my horse died, you know, that kind of thing. And maybe we'll pick one. Pick your name for a winner, sorry. And we'll let this run for a week. We'll give away a couple of these prize packages. Hey, look at the count right here. We're almost at 100,000 subscribers. Please, 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 pretty please, help me out and subscribe if you're not subscribed for some crazy reason. Until next time, praise the Lord, and pass one of these sweet Griddle More Tour hats.